So I started filming this and I'm over here talking to myself and I didn't realize I had it on hyperlapse. So I was just going to show you guys real quick what I'm doing. Um, this is the last one I did, or the first one I did with this mold. I've done the honeycomb coasters before, but this was the new mold that I just got in. And it's a little bit different. I actually like it better. It's much shinier and smoother and stable. But anyway, this one I had painted all of these little embossment areas with gold paint. You can see right here where it's embossed, or where it comes up. And it was not fun. It was really hard to do, but it was worth it because it just turned out super cute. And then I just did the whole thing black. This part was actually the hardest because it just didn't want to stick to the silicone, and I understand that was going to happen, but I like it the way it is because it's not perfect. There's no way to make it perfect, so it looks like I didn't want to be perfect. And then here I just took the gold flake and I just placed it randomly on the coasters and in the holder, and then poured the black. And this came out gorgeous. I hope you agree. But this one we're going to do a little bit different. I did the gold. I'm going to do the gold just like this, the honeycomb. And this gold mica powder I got from a friend. I have to, it's really tiny to see who it's from, but I'm definitely getting more of this because this is gorgeous. I love this gold. I haven't seen anything like this. So I'm going to do this in gold all throughout here. Just in the honeycomb part, I'm just going to let this fill in just like that did. And then when this is set up here in a few hours, I'm going to come in and do all gold, or excuse me, all black. So I'm going to finish filling this and I'll be back. Well, hello everybody, we're back. I had already pulled this out of the holder mold. I added, when I did the black, I added some of the gold into the black, and look how gorgeous that is. So it's not all black, I don't know, but I pulled out one already, and I love it. This gold, I don't know if you can see, you can see how it sparkles in here. It's even better in person. It's really hard to pick it up on the camera. But these molds, this new mold is amazing. I'll put the link in my description. I got it on Amazon. And I had added, when I poured this gold in here, you can see on the video, I added it on these little embossing areas as well, so it would just pop a little bit more, and I love the way that turned out. These just pop right out easily. I love these little sets that we can make. But here it is, all done. So those of you that love the bee decor, these are pretty amazing. So I'll take some pictures and post that for you. And I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.